Are you looking for the best stick vacuum? I have compiled a list of top 5 stick vacuums this year. These stick vacuums are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. I will show each of the stick vacuum's strengths and weaknesses. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Dyson V10 Absolute. Earning the top all-time score in this category, it's no wonder why the Dyson V10 easily reigns as the editor's favorite. This product gives some of the best performances we have ever seen when it comes to cleaning messes on the carpet. Also, it easily handles all types of messes on all types of floors, both soft and hard. This model is also straightforward and convenient to use. The V10 is a clear choice if you want unparalleled cleaning ability from a stick vacuum. This product does come with a higher price tag. In fact, it's one of the most expensive products that we have seen in this category. Its high price makes the V10 out of reach for the occasional consumer. However, there is no denying that it is the best of the best. Number 2. Von Haas 600W 2-in-1. The Von Haas 600W 2-in-1 isn't the best stick vacuum that we looked at, but it does have its place. This model would be a great fit for someone who is shopping on a tight budget with a smaller home with hard floors. It can also conveniently transform into a handheld vacuum to get into all of those hard-to-reach places. Regrettably, the Von Haas can't compare to the top-tier models for overall cleaning power. It continuously delivered a mediocre set of results in all of our cleaning tests. As one of the least expensive models out there, we would still recommend it to anyone who has light messes to pick up. Number 3. Dyson V8 Absolute. Just narrowly being edged out of the top spot, the V8 Absolute by Dyson is another exceptional product and the best of the best when it comes to cordless stick vacuums. This model cleans exceptionally well, is easy and convenient to use, and very light and maneuverable. Number 4. Dyson V11 Animal. One of the newest top-tier stick vacuums from Dyson, we initially thought that this product would be a shoe-in for an award, based on the performance of their previous models. However, we were quite mistaken. While the V11 Animal did do very well overall, its second-tier performance in our hard floor cleaning tests dropped it out of the running for the top spot, leaving the V11 empty-handed when it came to awards. Number 5. Bissell Air Ram. On the whole, the Bissell Air Ram did very well in our test, beating the majority of the competition and earning the 4th highest score of the entire group. However, 4th place isn't enough to merit an award, and there are definitely other vacuums out there that we would more readily recommend. The Air Ram is very easy and convenient to use and didn't disappoint in our cleaning tests. It's lightweight and easy to use, as well as doing a great job at cleaning under furniture.